Although becoming rich may seem difficult, it doesn't have to feel unattainable. You can easily make $1 million if you plan well, have patience, and make wise financial decisions. Let's discuss it. Welcome to Braylen AV. If you haven't yet, please like and subscribe. Number 1. Start a business. Most wealthy people are business owners. Anyone can start a business, but there are very few occupations that make you rich. Research markets, look for one that's stable and growing. The internet is popular because it allows today's business owners to reach millions of clients from the comfort of their homes. This makes creating wealth much easier. Number 2. Invest. What you invest in, and how much you invest, will all affect how much money you make in the stock market. If you put even a tiny amount of money into a reliable, long-term investment, it may, with the help of compounding, significantly increase your wealth. Number 3. Real estate investing. There are many ways to make money in real estate. But the most typical method that generates income is through its value increase, or appreciation. Number 4. Start early. Starting early is the key to building wealth. Doing this allows you to benefit from compounding's power. Number 5. Avoid unnecessary spending. Spending money on things you don't need takes money away from investments. Being frugal with money, and paying off debt, can go a long way toward assisting you in achieving $1 million goal. Number 6. Save at least 10%. The thing that's most likely to aid you, is saving money each month. According to financial experts, you should save at least 10% of your yearly gross income, and increase that amount as time goes on. Number 7. Increase your income. You can save but so much money with your current wage. Find strategies to generate more money, if you wish to raise your investment contributions. In addition to your main source of income, think about starting a side business. We have articles on how to get rich in our blog, BraylenAV.com. Don't forget to visit us, and subscribe to our newsletter. The link is down below. Number 8. 401k. For majority of workers, these savings options may be the best. If your business offers a retirement plan, it's a good idea to enroll in it, especially if the firm will match your contributions. Number 9. Learn financial literacy. It's never too late to start learning. The more you study financial literacy, the sooner you grasp the fundamentals of money. Number 10. Multiple sources of income. There are limits to how much extra time you can put to achieving your financial goals. Come up with ideas, and leverage, to earn more money. And, make a strategy for how you will use your newfound wealth. Don't only use your additional cash for luxuries once you start earning it. Spend that money on an investment that will provide you income in the future. Number 11. Hang out with rich friends. The rich hang out with other wealthy people. Uphold higher standards. People that are successful provide experiences and advice that's useful to becoming wealthy. The success of your investments will determine how much money you have. A first step is reading and understanding financial literacy. Maintaining discipline and adhering to a long-term investing strategy is crucial. As you see here, becoming rich is far from impossible. If you enjoyed this video, please share it. And visit our description link below. We have 2 more millionaire videos for you.